Hey everyone, we're gonna be making our spicy margarita. Now this margarita does get spice from a few different places. We've got our house-made chili syrup, a little bit of tahini on the rim, and these dried chili de arbos do pack a punch if you eat them whole. I'm gonna start out by checking that my glassware is clean and free of any cracks or chips. And then I'm gonna rim my glassware halfway with tahini. I'm gonna put ice into my shaker, and then to that shaker, I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of Don Julio Silver, 1/2 ounce of Cointreau, 3/4 ounce of lime, and 3/4 ounces of chili syrup. I'm gonna give that a nice shake. Fill my 9-ounce rocks glass with ice. And then I'm gonna strain the contents of my shaker over that ice. Now for a garnish, we're gonna take a lime wedge and a dried chili de arbo, straws, and it's ready to serve.